All right, you may have noticed in one of our other videos that this theme has a bit of a design flaw. I have our horizontal menu highlighted right here, but watch what happens when I scroll down the screen. Only the contact shows up. Now you can see right here that the text for the home is still there, but the background isn't. So this is really easy to fix if we don't want to have our menu pinned. We can just go click on our menu, and you see there's a few icons right here, and if it's green, it's active. And this pin right here is pinned to screen, so let's go ahead and click on that. So we have the option to change the position, or we have the option to change the horizontal and vertical offsets. What we want to do for this is just unpin it. So now it's hidden, so we just need to drag it a little bit to show back up. Okay, so now it's there. Now watch what happens when I scroll down the screen. Now our menu stays in the header where we want it. So if we want to pin something to the screen and it doesn't have the icon, there's a way we can do that. Let's take, for instance, this Wix Sampler. If we right click on that, we can see there's a number of options, and we want to go down to pin to screen. So that lets us go ahead again and set the position. So now this item is pinned to the screen, and as we scroll, it will stay there. So let's go ahead and test that. So now our Wix Sampler box always stays on top regardless of where we scroll to. So that is how you unpin and pin items on Wix.